Make folks all across the land come together, take a stand. America's dying, no one seems to care. GE Pittsfield, US Steel, Chevrolet, and old John Deere. America's dying, no one seems to care. No, they don't seem to care. So where's the country gone? They're trying to sell it off, 'cause they're buying